What's up, y'all? This is Jack, and in this video, we're going to talk about the number one way to make money online in 2020. Let's get it. First things first, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jack. I help people make 100K plus using their laptop, using their cell phone, and in this video, I'm gonna help you and talk about the number one way to do it in 2021. All right, so a lot of y'all, you're kind of confused. There's so many people out there talking about, hey, we need to do drop shipping, we need to do Shopify, we need to do Amazon. There's so many opportunities and so many outlets out there to actually start making money online. And I come across this all the time, that people, they're almost paralyzed. There's so many ways to go. They don't know what's real. They don't know what's fake. So I want to start off just to give you some reality. Right now, our company, we're doing 100K a month in sales. And honestly, I can't even believe it. It blows me away to say that, but we want to go bigger. Our goal this year is to do 5 million. We're a little bit behind off our target of 5 million, but I do believe we're learning, we're growing. And I think over the next year, we're going to hit that $5 million mark. I'll keep you updated. But I tell you that to, number one, give you reality, but also there's so many people out there that just don't believe. They don't believe it's possible. They think it's a scam. They want to label everything they see a scam. And so if that's you, that's okay. What I want you to do is be open and start to listen. We see all these people online all the time. We see all these 17-year-olds, 20-year-olds and Lambos driving around. And what I want you to do is I want you to think about where you are right now and where you want to be. What's the difference between where you are right now, where you want to be, and the people that are where you want to be? I'll tell you 9 out of 10 times, it is skills and knowledge. You got to get your skills. They just know more. They know more than you do right now. So what you got to do is you got to get your skills and your knowledge up. And if you think it's not possible for you to even make 100K, I'll tell you right now, it's more than possible. You're not gonna roll out of bed tomorrow and make $100,000. I'm not saying that. But if you show up, you're a lifelong learner, you're not gonna quit on this tomorrow, and you're coachable and you do the work, I promise you, you can make way more than $100,000 from your laptop. The opportunity is there. First things first, I want you to think about where you are currently. There's some people who are not ready to start a business. There's some people that they just want to start making some money on the side. There's others who already have a skill, they already have a talent, they already have a passion, and they want to turn that into an online business. For the latter, we're going to talk about that in other videos. What I want you to do is take that passion, because you're passionate about it. I want you to take that passion, I want you to take that skill and turn it into an online business. So we always say you got to skill up before you scale up. So if you don't have a passion, if you don't have an online business right yet, if you don't have all the skills you need, what I'm gonna tell you right now can change your life. The number one way to make money online in 2021 is sales. Think like this, you're always selling something. If you're not selling a product, a service, you're selling yourself. You want that girl or that guy to like you. You want to get a job. You want friends. You want people around you. You want community. You're always selling something, whether you know it or not. So if you heard that when I said sales and you're like, oh, I hate sales, you are a salesperson. Now, what we always talk about is a professional salesperson. They find a problem and they offer a solution. We've all came across one of those sleazy car salesmen that are trying to sell us something we don't want, we don't need, and they're not taking the time to listen to what we have to say. Some of y'all like, Jack, okay, I can't believe you just said the best way to make money online in 2021 is sales. What am I gonna sell? I don't have anything to sell. Boom, that's what we're gonna talk about next. So I want you to think about all the digital products, all the digital services, all the online businesses out there. We've all seen it. We've seen the Facebook ads, we've seen the Instagram ads, we've seen the YouTube ads. There's so many businesses out there trying to sell their services, trying to sell their products, and what do? They market themselves. These platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they're so amazing at marketing that all these online businesses are incredible at it. Now, what is the purpose of marketing? The purpose of marketing is to take these businesses, get their brand, get their name, get their service, get their product in front of traffic. So like I said, all of these businesses, they're amazing at marketing, but the sales is where they're lacking. And so what you want to do is get the skill of sales, become a professional salesperson, and you're going to be the bridge between the marketing and the actual production or the delivery. You're going to sell the product or service, you're going to close it in exchange for money. Now, what will these businesses do for you? These businesses are going to give you a commission check. Now, everybody we recommend you work with is they sell a high ticket product. You want to work with people who sell a high ticket product. What is high ticket? We're talking about $2,000 plus. Now, On a commission check, being the middleman and closing deals, you're gonna get anywhere from 10 to 30% of the commission off the product. So let's pretend that we sell a $5,000 product. You get 20% of that. You're gonna make $1,000 in a 20 to 40-minute phone call right from the comfort of your own home. The opportunity is literally unlimited. So if you have the right skills, if you have the right knowledge, businesses will literally do anything to have you on their team. I'll tell you right now, if you have the skills, if you have the knowledge needed, I'll pay you 6 figures right now to close for us. Straight up. Beautiful thing about this is you don't need a business. You can work from anywhere. There's no huge startup cost. Literally, you can work 3 to 5 hours a day, and depending on who you work for, what product they're selling, you can make $1,000 to $2,000 every single day. I'll tell you straight up right now, mastering the skill of sales is gonna be the most important thing you ever do. The crazy thing about sales is you can take it anywhere, no matter what you do. Even if you didn't wanna be a digital closer, say you wanna build your own business or build your Shopify, no matter what, mastering the skill of sales is gonna be essential. And once you get some money in your pocket from actually doing some digital closing, you can take it and invest it into your own business. Invest it into some of these other outlets. Check out the free training, hop into our Facebook group, connect with hundreds of other people who are learning to make money online right now. Let's do it.